Hello, my name is Megan Renee, and this presentation focuses on human and fiscal resources of institutions for Aspen University, course EDH 815, Accountability and Accreditation with Dr. Larry Regan. This presentation aims to discuss the relationship that fiscal and human resources have on an institution and its quality. We will discuss the institutional's goals, the quality of instruction, the impact of human resources and fiscal resources. We will also explore supports and how different elements impact the quality and teaching instruction of the institution. The measurement often used for quality of institutions is the quality of their instructors. Maddow highlights that human resources play a critical role in selecting proper candidates for the institution. Ensuring candidates are quality instructors can aid in the institution's effectiveness within different programs and schools. A quality instructor should apply the best practices within their content area and work with students to ensure learning is effective for all. Human resources can vary based on location, experience, department, and background. However, the National Center for Education Statistics aims to report data collected about faculty time and other activities. This data can aid in institutions aiding instructors in the allocation of their time, research activities, and scholarly outputs. Key factors that can influence the resources needed include content, student learning objectives, student learning patterns, institutional objectives, institutional goals, and the institution's mission. Examining other factors such as the location and funds of the department and institution are critical when observing resources. This leads us to the impact of fiscal resources on teaching and learning processes. Fiscal resources can play a large role in establishing a quality institution of higher education. Maddow highlights that an appropriate long-term budget will minimize the negative financial impacts on the academic core of the institution. Achieving long-term financial stability includes the following components. First, tighter position control with respect to hiring. This allows budget saving to be achieved. Second, utilizing outsourcing to its greatest potential of contracts and services. Third, taking a technology focus and moving away from the paper-intensive business practices. This cuts down on paper and printing expenditures. Reduction in administrative expenditures allows for reallocations of funds and redirects needed in order to improve academics. Appropriate allocation of funds is a critical step in enrolling fiscal resources to benefit the teacher learning process. Appropriate allocations of funds allow teachers to utilize and access evidence and resources to benefit the students that they teach. Fiscal resources can also benefit the professional development of teachers. Many professional development courses can be provided through the institution. However, there are other options that are offered outside the institution and are highly beneficial to educators and their students. Professional development courses strive to aid educators in progressing their teaching techniques and methods. This in turn benefits the students and can improve the quality of the institution. In conclusion, human and fiscal resources greatly contribute to the institution overall when observing their instructors as well as aiding in meeting their goals and mission statements. These resources can vary based on location. They can vary based on departments and the different institutions or schools within a set university or college. and it is important that these resources align with the goals and plans of the institution. Alignment of resources can aid in the institution achieving those goals and properly executing those plans.